Okay, the Ford DeKalb. We've got the tire loose. Jeff's hooking it up to a chain so he can pull it backwards.
Go forward slowly.
He's coming out of the rut. You're out of the rut! I'm putting that on YouTube. I'll send you a link on Facebook,
Yeah, that way you
and then you can.
What's going on with it? Yeah.
Tires are holding air and no drag marks. Had to disassemble that completely, but got it after 3 days. And the whole thing just got moved by a 74 Chevy G20, and probably not the best of running conditions, but it runs. Alright, I'm going to conclude this video.